Hi guys, this is Alpha Mode Day 2, Felt Eucalyptus. For supplies, you'll need templates, cloth stem wires, hot glue, olive green felt, scissors, and a needle, or something with a pointed end. Fold each leaf template in half and fold the felt as well. Align the folded edge of your template to the folded edge of your felt. Then cut out your leaves. I made several in different sizes. For one stem, I used 4 small leaves, 5 medium, and 3 large leaves. Make a hole in the center of each leaf to insert the wire. I added the leaves to the wire from largest to smallest. I used the tip of a mechanical pencil to create a bigger hole. Cut the end of the wire if the cloth starts to unravel. I brought the smallest leaf to the top and spaced out the other leaves at about ½ an inch. Add a drop of glue to the center, fold the leaf in half and slightly bring the ends toward the center. Hold it steady for a few seconds so the glue hardens. Then glue the other leaves. Create more stems, arrange them, and your felt eucalyptus is done.